Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid in FC25, which is part of the new FC IQ tactics system. This innovative feature gives you unprecedented control over your team's strategy. We will explore how to set up your squad, define player actions, and customize your approach to dominate every match. Get ready to transform your gameplay by mastering these powerful tactical tools. Formations are the foundational blueprint for your team, determining how they line up defensively. Building on this, player roles are crucial. They guide how every player thinks, behaves, and moves off the ball. With 31 distinct roles, each having 1 to 3 focuses, you have 52 unique combinations to tailor player behavior. This system adds significant depth to team building. Tactical presets provide excellent starting points, reflecting popular football strategies. You can then customize your team's approach by adjusting the build-up style, defensive approach, and line height. For instance, a high defensive line applies situational pressure. For ultimate control, create up to 5 custom tactics, allowing you to adapt your strategy dynamically during a match. Player performance is greatly influenced by role familiarity. A player more familiar with their assigned role will transition faster between defending and attacking phases. This system is position-based, meaning a player can competently play any role in their preferred positions. Additionally, the training center is vital for enhancing player skills, increasing sharpness, and balancing fitness throughout the season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.